It's survival, man. In this episode, we explore the wild regions of Brucksville Lake in Moseley, Virginia. Here you see us getting ready. The intrepid team is trying to get on board the boat. First, I'll get on the boat. No, wait, Daniel, you get on the boat first. No, how about Eric first, and then I'll get on the boat second. And whoa, we're all on the boat now.
Okay, you're being filmed. You're being filmed.
As we explore the wild reaches of this uncharted territory. There's Fritzy, the dog mascot. We are headed towards the island first. This island has never been explored by human beings before. We have no idea what to expect on this island. It could be anything. It could be monsters. It could be buffalo. It could be boa constrictors. Who knows? Wait a minute. Hey, dog, come back here. What are you doing? You're supposed to... Okay, well anyway, we're headed out and we're going to have some really exciting adventures here. Hey, what are you looking at the sunset for, you idiot?
Richie.
Let's get moving, boys. Here we are in the deepest jungles of the Moseley forest, exploring the tributaries with the flathead fish and the wild donkeys. It's very wild here and frightening, and it's charming somehow. And my trusty guide, Daniel, is leading us out of the wilderness now. Thank God! We heard something very strange. It might have been Bigfoot, but my guide says it wasn't Bigfoot, and it was not a good sound. I thought it was just a call for excitement, but he said it was a very dangerous sound. So, well, I want to tell you folks about how to survive on a boat ride in Moseley, Virginia. You have to be alert at all times. It's not the time for clowning around, joking. This is not a joke, folks. There's things all around us that... oh my... Did you see that? Oh, I heard it again. Yeah. I thought I heard it again. Yeah. Well, our trusty guide tells me that that could have been a wild unicorn, but we'll see. Now we have a crew here. We have Eric Adkins. There he is. He's ready to go. And I know why he's ready to go, because we're almost back home. As we can see civilization. We've been gone for I don't know how many weeks. It's just been and we haven't had anything to eat for 4 days, except we ate some spider egg pods and some leaf fungus. Was delicious. The white fungus that was on the leaves. And we finally got so desperate that we had to collect goose poop and bake it on the fire. We were able to start a fire.
Look at the bird.
Oh yeah, there's a bird. Now that bird is called a winged creature. And
it can eat your brains.
Oh, there's our party waiting for us at the shore with our provisions. We're going out for another week. It's been pretty lonely out here, just the three of us in this boat. But especially, it was very, very disturbing when we had baked beans one night on the boat. And there was a wild creature on the shore with his master. We now have Eric is going to tell us a little bit about what he is experiencing right now. So how do you feel, Eric, after weeks of... Are you hungry, boy? Speak!
Yes.
What would you like to eat?
A bunny on a roll.
What kind of bunny on a roll? Oh, a bunny roll. Oh, yes. How would you like your bunny cooked?
With
Oh,
some goose poop.
goose poop. See, we've been away so long that he's actually hungry for goose poop. He doesn't know that we have a provisional headquarters up there in the woods with 1,000 pounds of Twinkies just waiting. And there he is, our trusty shore hand, waiting for us. Filming him as he films us. I've got proof that we're being filmed.